Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals, and in this particular video I want to introduce to you another interesting airdrop that is called Wonton. All right, basically this airdrop is all about cooking. All right, so you cook and you collect on-chain NFT. You play the game, you invest in the game assets, and you get opportunity to also win. All right, and this project is really very interesting, similar to Blum game. But one interesting thing about them is that you can actually win ton in the game. You can see this person. All right, this guy says, oh my god, thank you once again, late night park opening reviewed 2 1 tons. You can see this guy was able to review Blum. That means he won 6 ton here and 0.15 ton. Then he also won 2 ton, all right, from Tonworth Society. So guys, a lot of people are winning. You can see Azan, he said, thank you for inviting invaluable new users to Wonton and all of that. All right, you can see a lot of people are winning from this. You can see this one, Wonton, never too late to open some silver pack super chef. You can see, all right, a lot of people are winning. So basically this particular airdrop is super unique. Okay, you can win cool cash instantly. All right, you can win ton instantly, okay, when you play the game. Okay, and I think that there's going to be a snapshot really soon for those who have been able to get certain kinds of NFT in the game. All right, so how do you get started? First things first, you go to the description of this video, you click on the boats, and it's going to bring you to the interface like this. So it says click start below, enter Wonton in Wonton. I mean, I like that play on words. It's acquire mystery box to win ton. All right, so you just click on play. When you click on play, it's going to load. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do when it finishes loading is that I'm going to claim, of course there's daily check-in, so you get 400 wontons for your daily check-in. So it says play game to earn silver packs and wonton. All right, so I'm going to claim this. All right, it gives me 490. Then I'm going to click on start farming. Okay, now there are tickets in the game. These tickets, they are given to you daily, so I'm going to click on play now. All right, so you just see the wontons that are falling, so you just begin to swipe. You swipe. All right, that's what you do. Basically what you do is that you try to swipe as much as you can and most times when you are playing this, you also get to see in-game stickers falling too, and you could get lucky. All right, with those in-game stickers, you could get really lucky. You just also need to be very careful of those chili, so you don't end up ruining the points that you have earned. So I want to show you here. You see, okay, you can see that's an in-game sticker that is dropping, and most of these stickers, they have some things that can actually help you level up or give you some extra boost or points, all right, in the game. Okay, so I'm just going to finish playing this. You can see I've gotten a mint, so I'm going to add this to collection. Let's just play the game together since we don't have a lot of tickets. I just want to show you what happens after this. All right, so be very mindful of this chili. You can see if I click on that chili, it automatically reduces my points. Okay, so you have to be very mindful. It reduces your points by 100. Okay, yeah, so it reduces your point by 100, I think. So I have 4 tickets left, so let's just finish playing those tickets and let's see where we land. Okay, so I'm going to click on that time to pause this. Okay, so let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Then there are some exciting things now. The part where I said that you can actually earn some wonton. So you come to this part where we have shop. All right, so when you click on the shop, okay, there's currently a discount on their star pack, so 5 star for 3 packs. All right, so you can actually purchase this. Okay, let me purchase this with 5 stars. I think I have stars. Awesome, so I'm going to purchase this. All right, now after purchasing, I can actually open this sticker pack, all right, that I purchased with stars. Let me see. Oh, my bookcakes, I didn't get anything. Jeez, you can see 750 USDT. Wow, that's amazing. So let's see if we're going to be lucky. Mini money more father as a donkey. Lich, I didn't get anything. So let's try again for the last one and see if we're going to get something for a potato. All right, so I didn't get anything from this one. So I can actually purchase more with sticker packs, all right? But for now, I'm just going to hold off on this, spending when I get some stars. But there's also a part where you can actually use turn. You can see open league, all right? You can use turn to claim this particular one, all right? You can use turn, you claim this also. It's from the open league. So I'm just going to disconnect my wallet. I'm going to connect my BitGet wallet. All right, let me connect my BitGet wallet to this so that I can use the turn in my BitGet wallet to also claim some of this Wonton. All right. So I'm just going to, oh, I just rejected it. So let me go back and retry. Approved. So I'm going to connect. Okay, so return to website. I've connected. So I'm going to click on claim for this one. All right, so I'm going to claim, and it's going to approve the transaction. That is if I have the amount of ton that is needed for this. Okay, so I'm just going to approve this, and I'm going to come back. It's going to finish approving. You can see it's pending. I'm just going to wait for it, all right, for it to be done. Then I'm going to come back here. Okay, this other one too, we can see this one is saying 3,000 per pack. So this one, you actually use your 1 ton. This is your balance here to buy it. Okay, so I'm just going to make this look like this, and I'm going to click on, I'm going to do this, all right, and I'm going to click on purchase, and I'm going to purchase, and I'm going to purchase 6 pack for 18,000 1 ton, all right. So it's pending. Okay, my purchase is done. I'm going to click on open. All right, click on open. So now I get to select 2 stickers. All right, wish me luck. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this. Okay, so I didn't win anything. Wow, it's crazy. Okay, so let's select another one again. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this. Oh, I didn't win anything. You can see the one last one. I'm selecting the middle, and I'm selecting this. All right, so Pitaya, I didn't win anything, so I have to try again. I'll try again next time, hoping to get lucky. All right, so let me check if my this one has opened. So this is the open league, so let me open this. Let me see if I'm lucky. Cranberry, I didn't get anything. Let me open another one. Wasabi, the last one, and this one. All right, so I wasn't lucky, so I'm going to keep trying. Okay, so this part also, you get to invite friends. All right, so you get to earn. All right, I've invited some friends. Then there's also this part here where we have the 1 ton. This part here. All right, you can see this part where we have the 1 ton. All right, yeah, if you're able to just get all of the ingredients, like you can see, I have this one left, so I need to look for. So if I'm able to get it, I'm going to get the unicorn. Then this one, I need to get this one, that's the middle one, all right, so that I can actually get the complete. Okay, so you can see I'm actually using Frankenton. That's 490 1 ton per hour. All right, so there are other ones too that you can actually decide to use, and you can also sell them too and earn some tons. You can see I sold one to check out, and I earned this particular ton, 0.015 ton. Okay, so you can decide to sell if you don't want to hold, and you earn some tons for yourself. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So there are so many other ones that are there that if you're lucky, you could get them, and I mean, you can actually sell them immediately. Okay, there's also the part where you have tax. All right, where you have tax, so you get to do the tax. You do all of the tax here, and you get some tickets as well. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this to repose the Ton Society. I'll come back and do that. I'll come here and I'll click on check, and I'm going to claim this. So then I'm going to post on X for 1 ton. I'm just going to post this, then I'll come back and check. I'll check it. Okay, I've checked this. Then I'm going to click on invite and earn 1 ton. All right, so I'm going to check this, and yeah, I'm going to claim it. Okay, now you can see for those 3 tags that I've done, they've given me a sticker, so I'm going to claim the sticker. Who knows, I could be lucky. So I'm just going to open it. I have udon, all right. So I'm going to add to my collection. Then I'll come back here and see if udon is any part of this, all right. So basically, that's how you play the wonton game. You come in and you check in every 3 hours and you claim what you need to claim. And also for the shop too, there's a part where there's a part where you use the sticker pack. This is the part where you get to use turn. This part here you use turn to purchase this, all right. So you use turn, yeah, you use stars, yeah, you use turn, all right. So depending on what would work best for you, you could just get lucky. So guys, that will be all for now for this particular video. If you have found value in the video, please do well to like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, and also share with your community as well. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments and I'll be glad to respond to it. That'll be all for now, guys. Bye.